Hey, this is Doug Stone back down here at Bruno Dunes Observatory. I'm one of the telescope operators here, and I just want to share with you a short animation showing what some of these constellations and star groupings would look like if we were able to actually fly around them. It's really fun. You'll be amazed. Thank you. And here we have the Big Dipper, which is part of Ursa Major. And Cygnus, the swan, also called the Northern Cross. Leo the lion. And our favorite, Orion. Scorpius. And just keep in mind that, as seen in this animation, that the brighter stars aren't always closer to us than the dimmer stars. Dimmer stars could be much smaller, but still closer to us than those brighter stars.